नाइन्थ, क्लास नाइन्थ। 11th इसलिए आ जाता है क्योंकि नाइन्थ और 11th का मैक्सिमम चीज़ें सेम सेम हैं। तो वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस। जितने भी बच्चे यहाँ पे हैं वो सारे के सारे बच्चे इस क्वेश्चंस को बहुत ही लाइटली इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बहुत ही आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी सिंपल। ओके, साउंड चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चन हैं, क्लास 9 लास्ट चैप्टर फिजिक्स का चल रहा है हमारे यहाँ। अ सोर्स ऑफ वेव प्रोड्यूसेस 40 crest and 40 troughs in 0.4 seconds. Find the frequency of the wave. Find the frequency of the wave. Okay, it means this is a question of sound in which there is a wave which, and you know very well, in the case of wave there are crests and trough. You know, the elevated part in the case of wave, that is called trough, crest, and the downward part of any wave is known as trough. So trough and crest, तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो बहुत ही बेसिक है। A source of wave produces 40 crests and 40 troughs in 0.4 seconds. Find the frequency of the wave. Okay, so this is very very simple and a very important question. Second question is taken from human physiological system. This question is taken that a human heart on an average is found to be beat 75 times in a minute. Calculate the frequency. So second question is a very very simple. How? You can easily trace out. Okay, a human heart on an average is found to be beat 75 times in a minute. Calculate the frequency. Now, being a 9th class student, you have to know that what is the definition of frequency, what is the actual meaning of frequency. If you know very well the term frequency, then you can easily find out the frequency of this particular question, in which a human heart beating is given. The question is asking frequency of human heart. Okay, what is question beta? Question is a human heart on an average is found to be beat 75 times in a minute. Calculate frequency. Okay, अगर किसी भी बच्चे से क्वेश्चंस नहीं हुए तो we will see, देखेंगे बेटा क्या हो सकता है। फिर देखिए एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए आया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd। अ बैट कैन हियर साउंड एट अ फ्रीक्वेंसी अप टू 120 किलोहर्ट्ज। डिटरमाइन द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द साउंड इन द एयर एट दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी। टेक द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड इन द एयर इज 344 meter per second. Okay, so this is your question number 3rd, and third question is a very awesome. It is a practical database question which is given the information about bat. You know bat चमगादड़ होता है. Okay, तो a bat can hear a sound at a frequency up to 120 kilohertz. एक जो चमगादड़ होती है वो 120 किलोहर्ट्ज की फ्रीक्वेंसी को सुन सकती है। ओके, तो आपको वेवलेंथ बताना है बच्चे। ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वेवलेंथ of the sound in the air at this frequency. Okay, taken away speed of the sound in the air is 344. आप 344 मीटर पर सेकेंड ले सकते हैं एयर में स्पीड साउंड की. ओके, सो कम ऑन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? A child hears an echo from a cliff 4 seconds after the sound from a powerful cracker is produced. How far is the cliff? How far is the from child? Velocity of sound is 344 meter per second. Okay, now these 4 questions are very important, very important, and now you have to solve it. Okay बच्चा पार्टी, तो चलिए इन क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं 1 by 1 बेटा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका क्या कहता है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप ध्यान से सुनिए, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अ सोर्स ऑफ वेव produces 40 crest and 40 trough in 4 seconds. Find the frequency of the wave. बहुत ध्यान सुनिएगा. कोई भी जो साउंड वेव होती है, साउंड वेव के बारे में आप लोग जानते हो. This is the sound wave, you can say. Okay, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this and so on. You can say the elevated part of any wave, the elevated part of any wave, it is called beta trough. Sorry, this is called crest. What is crest? And this portion, this is damped part. What is damped part? This is called trough. So these are the crest and trough. How many crests are there? 40. How many troughs are there? 40. It means the frequency of the wave is nothing but 40. And you have to find out what? Find out the frequency. So this is the number of oscillations actually. This is the number of oscillations. In how many seconds? 0.4. So if this is the number of oscillations, and how many oscillations are there? 40 oscillations. 40 oscillations bachcha. And how many times are taken? 0.4 seconds. Okay, so you know very well what is frequency. The number of oscillation per second. Yes, number of oscillations per second. It means this is the symbol of frequency. This is also a symbol of frequency. So frequency is equal to beta number of oscillations upon time taken. Number of oscillations 40 and number of oscillations 40 and the time taken beta 0.4 second. Remove the decimal, increase 1 0 at the numerator. Okay, how much? 100 watt. 100 watt oscillation per second. That is that is called hertz. Okay, so your correct answer is 100 hertz. Okay, have you any problem? No, sir. The students who are online, okay, answer the question. Bacha, answer the question. All the online students, answer the question. Okay, so you can easily answer this particular question because the number of oscillations are given and you have to divide by time taken. तो कुल मिला के बच्चे आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना था, बस आपको ये जानना था कि number of oscillation per second is nothing but frequency. Okay, come on, question number 2 बच्चा. I think this is also a same pattern question. Okay, because in this particular question a human heart on an average is found to be beat 75 times. in a beta, in a minute. Calculate the frequency. Your heart is beating, okay? Your heart is beating 75 times in a minute. It means that is nothing but 75 oscillations. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
75 oscillations in how much time, beta?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Now you have to find out the frequency. तो कैसे करोगे? Number of oscillations, yeah, number of oscillations upon time taken, Number of oscillations 75, 60. काटिए बेटा किससे 15, 15 5 जा and 15 4 जा. How much? 1.25 hertz. That's a very easy questions, okay? So these are very easy questions.